guys, welcome back to Diamond Candy TV. Today I am excited because I am trying a brand new product that I've never tried before, and I've heard a lot of good things about this product. It is the WetLine Xtreme Professional Styling Gel, and I think the first person that I saw use it was HappyCurlHappyGirl. I think it was her. Yeah, she's the first person that I saw use it, and she rants and she raves about it, and we both have a love for Eco Styler Gel, and we both kind of use the same product, so I feel like it will work for me. So I'm just going to be demoing it and giving you guys my thoughts and letting you see the results. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe because we want to see you back every single time, sis. What are you doing? And if you are a loyal subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So as always, I have my hair parted into 4 sections, and I always start with this back left section. And for my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Cantu Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. This is one of the products that Raina said that worked for her when she uses this gel. So she has a whole video telling you guys what leave-ins and stuff work best with the gel. I have that linked below. So yeah, this is my first time actually trying this as well. So you're gonna see. We're just gonna take a good amount. I always apply my leave-ins to one big section, and then I apply my gel product in smaller sections. So I'm just gonna rake that through like so. Okay, so now that my hair is now that my hair has the leave-in in it, I'm going to take a small section and pin the rest out of the way. Now for what you guys came here for. This gel it came up to $2.39. Well, before tax, that's how much it cost. After tax, it was $2.54. And this is 17.6 ounces. That's crazy. So, I mean, honestly, if you're not sure if it's going to work, just buy it because, you know, $3 ain't hurting nobody. So I'm gonna start off with like a decent amount and just rake it in like I always do. I feel kind of thick. Okay, I need more. Who's I kidding? No. No, God no. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna come a little bit closer. So it feels very like heavy. I think maybe I put too much of the coconut curling cream, but yeah, it just feels very greasy feeling and like heavy. So we don't want that. That's not looking cute, you know, at all. It's looking a little stringy. I don't know what to do. Should I add more? Let me add some water. I'm gonna add some water to the section, and hopefully that'll like loosen up the product. Okay, so we're gonna try that one more time. One more time, okay? So that is looking a lot better. It still feels a little heavy, but just on the next section, I'm gonna make sure that I don't put as much of the coconut curling cream. So I'm gonna do this section and then go to the next section and show you guys what that looks like, because I feel like I kind of messed up and it's not really showing, you know, the fullness of the gel, because everybody's raving it's bomb. Oh sis, you gotta have this. So I need to see some of that action. So I'm gonna come back when I'm doing the next section and give you guys a better look at the gel, hopefully. Why is that straight? Like, why is it so stuck? I'm also thinking that your hair needs to be soaking wet when you use this, because it's really not really popping back the way that I'm used to. Yeah. The water makes it a lot better. Alright guys, my full head is done and this is what it is looking like. It looks really good. You know, the beginning was a little rocky, but I think it pulled through. Let me know what you guys think below. This is what it looks like wet, and I'm obviously going to come back when it's dry, but I just wanted to show you guys. So yeah, I'll be back with the final results and see you then. Alright guys, so it is the next day and my hair is completely dry. As you see, I have some of it up in a bun. And that's because the wash and go just didn't really look that good. It looked very flat and my hair feels dry kind of, and it's still a little bit stringy, and it was definitely stringy in the front because I have that damage situation going on. If you watched my last wash day and chill, then I explained that on there. But this gel didn't do really much to help it. It was just like crispy, and then it took a lot for me to try and break the crunch. I usually go in with like an oil or something and just kind of like scrunch the crunch out of my hair, and it took very long for me to get the crunchy feeling out, and I think that caused some frizz as well. But I wouldn't say it's terrible. It's not the worst gel that I've ever used, but it's also not the best. It is not better, in my opinion, for my hair than the Jamaican black castor oil and flaxseed oil eco styler gel. Like, nothing is really messing with that for me, and it's not even better than my coconut curling jelly by Auntie Jackie's that I've used on my channel before. It's just, you know, it wasn't all that for me. I think maybe I was expecting a lot, but it is very it did give me some hold, it did give me some definition, but like I said, it really was like crunchy and left my hair feeling pretty dry. So if you've tried this gel, then leave your experience down below, because I don't want to seem like I'm trying to debunk anybody's opinions. Everybody has different hair, and different hair reacts to different products differently. Like, that only makes sense. So leave your experience down below, if you love it, if you hate it, whatever it is. But hopefully this video was helpful, and I think that is it. But one more thing, I just want to show you guys my merch. This is one of my new crew necks from my Curly Girl merch line, and if you want one, make sure you go to curlygirlmerch.com and copy one. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you have any products that you want me to review, make sure you leave them down in the comment box, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.